It's a pleasure to be here. I, King Mandela from Guyana.
Balance. Unite and live right in one harmony. One God, one aim, and one destiny. Right. The innocent is paying for the guilty. Why can't you see? The robber man broke into my house in a bright daylight and terrorized my family.
The marijuana is a sacrament whereby it should be legal right around the world. Normalizing it because enough people is suffering even right now as we speak in Mazaruni, in Camp Street, in Lusignal, in Rockers Island. You can name it.
Cause some not off. No love, yes. No love.
King
No
Mandela
love.
Day, this is no joke. Light a light, more fire, more smoke. As the smoke is driven away, drive them away. This is no joke.